In today's video, you will learn about 5 homemade medicines to treat folliculitis. If you have tried everything to get rid of folliculitis and didn't get the expected results, then you should try these 5 homemade medicines to end this skin infection. Folliculitis can happen in any part of the body, even in the scalp. Many people confuse folliculitis with pimples since the hair follicles get inflamed and look red and swollen. Do you have white bumps on your arms? It can be folliculitis. It is more frequent on the buttocks, crotch, legs, beard, and scalp. It appears especially in people who wear tight clothes, shave, or those who wear makeup. Folliculitis can have some symptoms such as itchiness, pain or sensitivity, burning sensation, rough, dry, or flaking skin. Folliculitis usually happens because of ingrown hairs, but it may also be caused by a bacterial or fungal infection, resulting in redness in the skin and small pus-filled bumps that are similar to acne and that cause a burning sensation and itchiness. We will show you 5 homemade medicines to help you treat folliculitis naturally. Aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is refreshing and can alleviate the itchiness, swelling, and redness of the skin. The gel also helps with some of the bacteria that cause infection. Look for a pure aloe vera gel without scents or any other chemical products. Clean the area with water and neutral soap, then apply the gel. Coconut oil. We talk a lot about the many benefits of coconut oil to our health. Watch the suggested video to learn more about it. Coconut oil is also great for protecting the skin. Rich in fatty acids, capric acid, and lauric acid. Apply virgin coconut oil daily on the affected area. Vinegar. White vinegar and apple cider vinegar are efficient for reducing skin rashes caused by folliculitis. Apple cider vinegar in particular is antiseptic and contains antibacterial and antiviral properties, as we saw in this video. To treat folliculitis, combine a part of white vinegar or apple cider vinegar with 2 parts of filtered water. The water must be at room temperature. Apply the mixture over the affected area with a clean cloth. Do it for 5 to 10 minutes. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Essential oils. Medical studies show that some essential oils have antibacterial and antifungal properties. Did you know that some essential oils can work against the bacteria and fungi that cause folliculitis? The essential oils that help treat skin infections, like folliculitis, are cinnamon, thyme, tea tree, lemon, geranium, chamomile, rosemary, and eucalyptus. Avoid essential oils if you are pregnant or nursing, as they might not be safe for the baby. Also, these oils should never be applied directly over the skin. Dilute the essential oil in a carrier oil or moisturizer cream. Always do an allergy patch test before using any oils to avoid any reactions. If you try any of these methods but still get white bumps on your skin, talk to a dermatologist to find the best treatment for your case. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.